Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Despite projections that air travel will remain subdued for at least the next 2 years, Sangster International Airport is moving full speed ahead with its expansion plans. The expansion, which started in March this year, is expected to continue as planned on a phased basis. Andrew Laidley reports.
In a media release Thursday, MBJ Airport's operator of Sangster International Airport said the company is undaunted by the pandemic and remains committed to Jamaica's economic recovery. MBJ noted that over the next 6 to 8 months, the focus will be on ensuring that the timelines for construction are met and that all the stores are operational when traffic increases to maximize sales. The redevelopment began with a $12 million construction of 2,700 square meters of newly built retail space. That would include a 12-meter-high roundabout with a floor-to-ceiling curtain wall slated to be completed in March next year. The works also consist of the renovation of over 4,000 square meters of space to create 15 retail units. It's expected to provide an increase in passenger circulation and orientation areas. MBJ said it has selected 29 retail units from a pool of 116 requests for proposals to fill the space. All 29 units have been allocated with retail licenses ranging from 2 to 6 years. A record of 4.7 million passengers used the airport last year. MBJ operates Sangster International Airport under a 30-year concession awarded in 2003. The airport provides employment to more than 7,500 persons. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 93 cents less. The price of automotive diesel will decline by $1.83 and ultra-low sulfur diesel is going down by $1.27. Now, kerosene is costing $1.47 less. Propane is down 34 cents, while butane will increase by 10 cents. And oil prices settled lower today. Oil for delivery in October lost $1.25 to settle at $41.51 a barrel. Currency trading now, well, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $147.81. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.06. The pound is going for $199.78, while the euro closed at $179.77. And the JC Index gained 900 points today, and the Junior Market Index is up 8 points. Among the winners were Kingston Properties, Elite Diagnostic, 138 Student Living, ISP Finance Services, and Portland JSX. On the losing side, SSL Venture Capital, Mayberry Investments, Cargo Handlers, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, and Berger Paints. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.